Muraho neza inshuti bavandimwe mumenyereye kudukurikirana hano kuri runo rubuga rwa chaîne yitwa Liberty Speaking TV. Nkuko mumenyereye ndi mwarimu wanyu Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu. Ubakunda cyane. Uyu munsi nagarutse kugira ngo mbagezeho isomo rikurikira mu Kinyarwanda. Uyu munsi tugiye kwigira hamwe isomo rya 5. Niba rero ari ubwa mbere twakwibutsaga kugira ngo ukande hariya hasi handitse subscribe kandi wibutse gusangiza n'inshuti zawe. Nizere ko mwiteguye. Mureke tujye mbere mu isomo. Kwemera cyangwa guhakana ubutumire mu kinyabupfura. Imibanire y'abantu. Politely accept or refuse an invitation. Interpersonal relationships. Let us look at learning objectives. Describe in Kinyarwanda to somebody cultural events and ceremonies. Gusobanurira umuntu mu Kinyarwanda adasomye imihango, ijyanye n'umuco n'iminsi mikuru. Politely invite friends, colleagues, or neighbors to different events, ceremonies. Gutumira mu kinyabupfura inshuti, bagenzi bawe cyangwa abaturanyi mu mihango itandukanye. Accept politely an invitation from somebody by using appropriate structures in Kinyarwanda. Kwemera mu kinyabupfura ubutumire bw'undi muntu ukoresheje imivugire nyayo ikinyarwanda. Decline politely an invitation from somebody by using appropriate structures in Kinyarwanda. Guhakana ubutumire bw'undi muntu ukoresheje imivugire nyayo y'ikinyarwanda. Scenario: Mark, a PCT and Anne, a worker at CHUB, Centre Hospitalier Universitaire de Butare, met during a session about HIV/AIDS. Anne invites Mark to her wedding ceremony. Dialogue. Amakuru Mark.
Ni meza.
Naragushatse ngo ngutumire ndakubura. Mfite ubukwe kwa 6. Ndagutumiye.
Sinzaboneka. Nzaba ndi mu mahugurwa.
Nta kibazo. Urabeho?
Urabeho.
Comprehension check. Ibibazo ku kiganiro. Questions from the dialogue. Ni bande bavuga mu kiganiro? Who is talking in the dialogue? Anne afite iki kuwa 6? What does Anne have on Saturday? But dear listeners, to the Adventist, this day is Sabbath. So, I don't want to bother anyone. Saturday, on the part of doctrine, it is Sabbath day, the 7th day of God. Ahangaha Anne afite iki kuwa 6? Kubizera b'Abadventist ni ku isabato. Mark azajyayo? Will Mark go there? Yavuze iki? What did he say? Different corners. Cultural circle. We're going to look at different notes. Mu muco wa Kinyarwanda, mu bukwe haza uwatumiwe n'utatumiwe, ariko wahawe ubutumire bwanditse yumva ko agomba gutwerera. In Rwandan culture, weddings are attended by both invited and non-invited people. They are expected to contribute money, beer, or give gifts. Medical corner. Mu mihango imwe n'imwe n'igihe batanze ibiryo, hitamo ibyo ukeka ko byatunganijwe neza kandi bifite isuku. Urugero: ibishyimbo, umuceri n'ibindi. During events where food is offered, choose the food you think is well prepared and clean.
safety and security corner. Ahantu hamwe na hamwe nko mu tubari cyangwa resitora usabwe gukora ibyo abandi bakora, ukoresha ibirahure cyangwa utabikoresha mu kunywa, ugomba kubanza kwitegereza ibyo bakora. Ikindi, ntugomba gusiga ikirahure cyawe ngo ugende ugaruke ugifate. Ugomba kwitonda kuko bashobora kukuroga. In places like bars or restaurants, imitate the people by using glasses or not when you drink. Don't leave your glass unattended. Take corner. Iyo watumiwe n'inshuti cyangwa umuturanyi, uburyo wambaye bugaragaza agaciro wahaye uwo muhango n'umuntu wagutumiye. Gerageza kwambara bikwiye. When invited by a friend or a neighbor, the way you dress shows the respect you have for that person and the ceremony. Let us look at language tips. Dusangire ubuzima bwacu. Let's share our life. Dusabane. Let's socialize. Bikugere ku nyota. May it reach your thirst. Exploitation. Vocabulary. Specific actions for invitation. Context. Kinyarwanda. Now, listen to this conversation and try to translate into English. Ushobora kuza tugasangira muri hotel Heritage nimugoroba? Oya, ni kure. Tujyane gutembera hano hafi? Ibyo nta kibazo. Could you come to share something with me at a hotel Heritage in the evening? Oya, ni kure. No, it's far. Tujyane gutembera hano hafi? Would you like to go for a walk around? Ibyo nta kibazo. I don't mind. Specific actions. Now, listen to Kinyarwanda words and try to translate into English. You're gonna compare to my English later. Kubyina. Can you try to translate into English? Gusangira. Gutembera. Koga. Kwiruka. Ubukwe. Now, let me translate for you and compare to your work. Kubyina, to dance. Gusangira, to share something. Gutembera, to go for a walk. Koga, to bathe or to have a bath. Kwiruka, to run. Ubukwe, wedding. Other words and expressions. Amahugurwa. Gutumira. Kuboneka. Gushaka. Kubura. Nta kibazo. Amahugurwa. Trainings or sensitization. Gutumira, to invite. In other words, invitation. Kuboneka, to attend or to appear. Gushaka, to look for, need or search. Kubura, to miss. Nta kibazo, no problem. Grammar. Using the auxiliary verb gushobora, which means to be able. Context. Ushobora kuza tugatembera? Oya, sinshobora kuza, ndananiwe. Let us translate. Ushobora kuza tugatembera? Could you come and we go for a walk? Oya, sinshobora kuza, ndananiwe. No, I can't come. I am tired. Use of gushobora. Verb in infinitive is gushobora. These are the subjects. The first person singular, n, second singular, u, third singular, a. And the first person is plural is do, second plural, mu, and the third plural, va. So now, the root is shobor. Termination is a. So now, let's try to combine the subject to the root and termination. Nshobora, ushobora, ashobora, dushobora, mushobora, bashobora. Examples. So the verb is to be able to. Shobora kuza kubyina. In other words, it means I may come to dance, or I might come to dance. Ushobora kuza kubyina. You may or you can come to dance. Ashobora kuza kubyina. He or she may come to dance. Dushobora kuza kubyina. We might or may come to dance. Mushobora kuza kubyina. You in plural may come to dance. Bashobora kuza kubyina. They may come to dance. Now, let us look at affirmative and negative form. Affirmative form. Nshobora kuza. Ushobora kuza. Ashobora kuza. Negative. Sinshobora kuza. Nushobora kuza. That NT is pronounced as if nu. NH. NH. Don't pronounce ntu. No. Just the T is pronounced like H, mute. Yeah. Nu. Nu. NH. Nushobora kuza. Nushobora kuza. Na shobora kuza. That NT is pronounced as na. NH. Na. Na. N and H together. Na shobora kuza. Let us look at the English. I can't come. You can't come. He can't come. The rule. In a negative form, when you refuse for yourself, you use a negative word si. And when you refuse for other people, you use n. That is na. Let us look at linguistic functions. Ways of inviting, refusing, and accepting invitation. Context. Look at this conversation. Bosco and Andy. Andy, ushobora kuza tukajya kubyina nimugoroba? Would you mind dancing with me this evening? Andy. Yego ndaza. With gestures. Yes, I'm coming. Other ways of inviting persons. Ndagutumiye nimugoroba. I invite you this evening. Tujyane kubyina. Let's go dancing. Uze kureba umukino wacu. Come and see our match. Muzaze mu bukwe. Please come to our wedding. Uzifatanye natwe. Please be together with us. Uzaboneka ejo? Will you be available tomorrow? Ufite akanya tujye gutembera? Are you available so that we can go for a walk? In other words, do you have a time to walk with me? Ushobora kuza kureba filime? Can you come and watch a movie? Different ways of refusing and accepting an invitation. Let us look at refusing an invitation. oya, no. Nta mwanya, no time. Sinzaba mpari, I will not be there. Mpari is pronounced as if MH. The P sounds like H. Instead of saying mpari, you can say mha. Sounds as if MH are pronounced together. Mpari, I'll not be there. Sinzaboneka, I'll not be available, accepting an invitation. Yego, yes. Ndaza, I'll come. Nzaboneka, I'll be available. Nta kibazo, no problem. Practice. Fill in the blank. Complete the sentences using one of the following words from dialogue. Bazamukwa. Gutumire. Sinzaboneka. Mahugurwa. Yantumiye. Complete. Johnny yantumiye kuko umukobwa we. You can choose from those words. Again, Johnny yantumiye kuko umukobwa we. 2. Ariko. 3. Johnny kuko umukobwa we bazamukwa. 4. Mark naragushatse ngo ndakubura. 5. Nzaba ndi mu writing. Now work in pairs to analyze this invitation in Kinyarwanda and write another one using your own imagination. Itegereze ubutumire, nurangiza wandike ubundi ukoresheje amagambo yawe bwite babiri. Ubutumire, an invitation. Umuryango wa Gasana wishimiye kubatumira mu bukwe bw'abana babo Anita na Eric buzabera muri Hotel Credo i Butare ku wa gatandatu tariki ya 21 z'ukwa gatatu 2009 saa 8. The family of Gasana is pleased to invite you in the wedding of their children Anita and Eric, which will take place at Hotel Credo in Butare on Saturday the 21st of March 2009 at 2 p.m. Scrambled text. Work in pairs. Arrange these words in Kinyarwanda so that you have an invitation with the same meaning as the one you have in English. Babiri. Shira aya magambo yo mu Kinyarwanda ku murongo ugire ukore ubutumire busobanura nk'ubwo ufite mu Cyongereza. Invitation in English. The families of François Tegekimana and Gatera Jean have the pleasure of inviting you to the wedding ceremonies of their children, Kesa Alice and Eric Kalisa, which will take place on 28th of March 2009. At 10 a.m., introduction and dowry ceremony at Bazi. At 2 p.m., religious ceremony in GSOB. Thereafter, a reception will take place in HVP Gatagara Hall. Your presence is highly appreciated. Invitation in Kinyarwanda. Muri sale ya HV Gatagara saa 4 z'amanywa gusaba no gukwa imbazi. Kwifatanya natwe bizadushimisha. Nyuma y'iyo mihango saa 8 gusezerana imbere y'Imana, imiryango ya François Hategekimana mu bukwe bw'abana babo. Abatumiwe bazakirirwa na Gatera Jean muri chapelle ya GSOB. Keza Alice na yishimiye kubatumira buzaba tariki ya 28 z'ukwa gatatu 2009 Eric Kalisa. Now you are going to make the clear text. The text in English is put in a good order, but this one in Kinyarwanda is not in order, it is in disorder. What you're gonna do is to compare to your English and try to make this in order. Link to the host community. Go and ask the following questions in Kinyarwanda to the people indicated and be prepared to report on your interview during the next class. Ni iyihe minsi mikuru mukunda gutumirwamo? In which ceremonies, party are you invited to more often? Guhakana ubutumire biroroshye? Is it easy to refuse an invitation? Kuki? Why? Go and ask for the copy of the invitation to the people indicated by a facilitator and then compare the Kinyarwanda and English invitation in order to describe difference and similarities in the two languages. Give feedback in the next class. Let us read these vocabulary and new expressions for you to practice next time. Amahugurwa, gusangira, gushaka, gutembera, gutumira, koga, kuboneka, kubura, kubyina, kwiruka, nta kibazo, ubukwe.
Tubibutse ko kugira ngo amasomo yacu mujye muyakurikira umunsi ku munsi, mugomba gukanda hariya hepfo handitse subscribe, maze usangize n'inshuti zawe aho uri hose, nabo bajye babasha kubona ayo mahirwe. Yari mwarimu wanyu ubakunda Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu mu Rwanda. Turabifuriza ishya n'ihirwe.